What a crazy story about how Shaba came up with the hook on his song titled Kunye. Apparently, he took it from the one and only The Lord of the Entire, aka Zinga. Man, I don't want to talk a lot. Let's just hear it from the man himself. This just proves how great Java is.
To know Zinga,
Zinga Lodge.
the Lord of the Entire.
Yes.
So what happened is, I think it was around, when was cash time, Fana Food? I told you that story.
Yeah.
So around cash time, they were rapping at the parking lot.
Sure.
Like they were just playing. So he was still Smashes by that time. Bombies or Smashes, that was his rap name when he was at cash time.
Sure.
Then
I
he
didn't know that
said,
he went to cash, that he was at cash time.
yeah,
And then he rapped.
him and Kid X and AB Crazy. It was him, Kid X, AB Crazy.
Okay.
So they were part of cash time.
Yeah, I remember.
So he said, while they were rapping there, he said, my kicks 10 silver.
Okay.
He said, my kicks are silver. Like I lost in the finals.
Sure.
So now I turned it into my heart turned silver.
Sure.
Like I lost in the finals. Awulazi lelo zinga lelo. So it's a word play on his new name now, which is Zinga.
So you're giving him props while
Yeah.
you